Fifth sum. Prove that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side, whose length is half of the length of the third side. Here, triangle ABC, O is the origin and DE be the midpoint of the sides AB and AC, and then OD can be written as A vector plus B vector by 2 and OE can be written as A vector plus C vector divided by 2. And here we want to write DE, we want to find the value of DE. So DE can be written as OE minus OD. That value of OE is A vector plus C vector by 2 minus value of OD is A vector plus B vector by 2 here. So we can simplify this so that we have A plus C minus A minus B divided by 2. Here we can cancel A and A. The remaining thing we have C vector minus B vector by 2. That C can be written as OC and B vector can be written as OB vector. So this OC minus OB can be written as BC. So we can conclude this DE equal to 1 by 2 of BC vector. Sixth problem. Prove that the line segment joining the midpoints of the adjacent sides of the quadrilateral form a parallelogram. Here we have A, B, C, D as a quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral here. A, B, C, D is the quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, this P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of the sides. So we can say the position vectors of the midpoints P, Q, R, S as this P is nothing but A vector plus B vector by 2 and Q can be written as B vector plus C vector by 2 and R can be written as C vector plus D vector by 2 and S can be written as D vector plus A vector by 2. So here we have to prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. If it is parallelogram, we have the property PQ equal to SR. That parallelogram property is PQ equal to SR. And PS equal to QR. This is the property of the parallelogram. So it is enough to show that. So PQ equal to, we can write this PQ as in the position vector form OQ vector minus OP vector. OQ vector is B plus C by 2 minus OP vector is A plus B by 2. We can conclude this as simplification C vector minus A vector by 2. Then SR. SR vector is nothing but OR vector minus OS vector. That value of OR is there and value of OS is here. So by simplification we have C vector minus A vector divided by 2. So these two results show that PQ and SR are equal. That implies PQ and SR are parallel. Similarly, we can prove this PQ equal to QR. Therefore, this PQRS is a parallelogram.